Yo, Taj, please tell me you saw it. Please tell me you caught up, bro.
My dog, I was just about to hit you. Solo leveling?
Bro, episode 3?
Episode 3?
Episode 3, right?
Episode 3?
Yeah, nah, see? Episode 2. Episode 2. I'm tweaking.
But yo, episode 2?
Episode 2?
My boy Sung Jin Woo?
My boy Hwang Dang-soo with the... Nande yutomoto ga kunanai o mitsukete chonda.
Yeah, the mama's better though.
Why you always gotta be like this, Corey?
Yeah, the anime's cool, I guess, but it doesn't do the original panels justice. Like the arrow scene, season 2, episode 1, mid.
Hey, yo, Trey, you got an ice pack, bro?
That's the only panel y'all could talk about. Everything else is spot on.
Oh, you want me to name something else? Okay. See, like, look at this comparison. Her chest is clearly not as big in the original manhwa. Like, the fan service is crazy.
Yo, Taj, is he complaining about big titties right now? Yo, Taj.
So yeah, when they lock you up for manslaughter, you should definitely read the manhwa.